Hello, welcome you guys to ACHIEVER'S Academy. So, the example we have on the board today is if y is equal to 4t squared minus 12 plus 4 over t squared, find d square y over dt squared. So, when you are differentiating with respect to y. So, and this thing means d square y over dt squared. It means you are differentiating in two terms. After you differentiate in first terms, you are still going to differentiate in second terms for you to get your final answer. Now, let's look at the example on the board. We have y is going to be 4t squared minus 12 plus 4 over t squared. If you look at this form, this is in the fraction form, so you have to bring it back to normal form. So you can just say 4t squared minus 12 plus 4 multiplied by 1 over t squared. So that is now going to be 4t squared minus 12 plus 4 multiplied by t raised to power minus 2. So which is going to be now 4t squared minus 12 plus 4t raised to power minus 2. Now, you have already break this bond that is here. So now you cannot find your d square y, dy over dt. So dy over dt is now going to be using general method. I've said earlier that whenever you are doing a question like this, it is not specified. Please kindly use general method. So now this is my power. My power is going to be multiply the coefficient of t, and the coefficient of t is 4. So we are going to have 8t raised to power 2 minus 1 minus 12 here is a constant, and the derivative of the constant is 0, which is going to be, if you look at here, this is minus 2. So minus 2 is going to multiply the coefficient that is there. We are going to have minus 8 into t raised to power minus 2 minus 1. So that is what answer is now going to be 8t minus 0 plus times minus is going to give you minus 8t raised to power minus 3. So your final answer is going to be 8t minus 8t raised to power minus 3. So now this is not your final answer, because the question we are asked to differentiate in two times. So which is d square y over dt squared. So now I proceed. In differentiating in second term, y is now going to be d square y over dt squared. So I'm differentiating this in respect to t. So it's now going to be 8t. It's not going to be 8t again because the power of this is 1, and it's going to be 8. Differentiation of 8t is going to be 1. Do you know how we get it? When you have 8t, this is the power. So power will multiply the coefficient, which is 8t raised to power 1 minus 1. So 8t raised to power 0. So anything raised to power 0 is what? 1. So the answer is equal to 8. So when I'm differentiating this term again, it's going to be 8 minus into bracket minus 8 multiplied by minus 3 all squared raised to t raised to power minus 3 minus 1. So the square y over dt squared is going to be 8 minus 8 times minus 3 is going to give you minus 24 minus 24, close the bracket, into t raised to power minus 4. So your final answer is going to be 8 minus multiplied by minus, you are going to have plus 24 t raised to power minus 4. So that is your answer. So whenever you are asked to differentiate with respect to t, with respect to y, so in second term, after differentiating in the first term, you are going to differentiate in second term again to get your final answer. So thank you very much.